Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free chicken and dumplings. Let's do it! My Instant Pot is set on poultry for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add my celery. By the way, I will put the recipe down below so you'll see how much of each item I used. Carrots, onions, three chopped up chicken breasts, bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to add my organic gluten-free chicken broth. I'm going to use 2 containers. This is 32 ounces, so it'll be 64 ounces. Now I'm going to add a couple dashes of poultry seasoning, black pepper, a couple dashes of pink Himalayan salt. Now we're going to put the lid on and let it do its thing. Make sure that your venting valve is on sealed. While our mixture is cooking in the Instant Pot, I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free dumplings. You begin by using Pillsbury gluten-free flour or whatever brand you have. You're going to combine that with a half a teaspoon of salt, and I like to use pink Himalayan salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and by the way, I make my own baking powder, which is gluten-free. Gonna add in 1/3 cup of Crisco. Now I'm gonna blend all this together with a fork until it's evenly combined. Begin to add in buttermilk. By the way, I made the buttermilk using this buttermilk blend, which is gluten-free, and I mixed it. It calls for water, but I mix it with whole milk. So we'll just start adding a little bit of that in. Now I'm going to knead the dough together. You want it soft but not sticky. I've sanitized my countertops, and now I've put flour on the countertop, gluten-free flour. Now we're going to roll out the dough. I've allowed my Instant Pot to self-release for 15 minutes, so now I'm going to turn the sealing valve to quick release, and I have this little gadget on here that keeps it from the steam from going on my cabinet. The silver button has dropped down, so now we're going to remove our little accessory and open the Instant Pot away from your face. Oh, that smells so good. I've mixed 4 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water, blended it together, and now I'm gonna slowly pour it in and whisk it into my broth. We want to thicken it up. I'm going to turn my Instant Pot off. And now I'm gonna put it on saute. Then I will put my dumplings in and let them come to a boil and cook. Now we're gonna let this mixture cook for about 7 minutes, then we'll be ready for a taste test. Right before I do a taste test, I wanna sprinkle in just a little bit of black pepper, a tad bit of salt, and some parsley flakes. Gonna mix it up. This is more of a chicken and dumpling soup, and so let's give it a taste test. Very good, very hot, but quite tasty. For those of you who have celiac disease or you struggle with gluten, you have a low gluten tolerance, this is a great recipe. Or if you just want to try the recipe, it's great anyway. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend. God bless. Bye.